how to turn this into this into this. This is the list of things you'll need for this project. Now, first off, you're going to measure your head circumference plus 2 inches from the inner circle, as you'll need to leave room for a wig and the batting and extra fabric. And then the brim is going to be around 2 to 3 inches from the inner circle. You don't want to make it overly large or it'll be very hefty, which is what mine ended up turning out to be. Now you're going to place 2 strips of cardboard for the helmet. Now I usually use tape to hold everything down, but I had to use Gorilla Glue as it wasn't sticking, which I clamped down with pegs. Then I add a toilet roll for structure, and I got this handy little tip from another creator that I'll link below. Then you're going to need 8 longer strips of cardboard and repeat what you did with the helmet. Next, you're going to stick your batting over the base and cut out enough that it covers the underside. Then you're going to glue that with a hot glue gun. Repeat the batting step except with your fabric of choice and use fabric glue to stick that layer down. Then you're going to stuff the inside of the hat with a polyfill and cover that with batting. Grab your second fabric of choice and shape it to the underside as you wish. Glue down with a fabric glue. Then the last step is you're going to add all your decorations. And then you can see here I've added white spots with crafting foam and used fake moss for the underside, and I used eyeshadow for the shading. And that, my pixies, is how you make a mushroom hat. Safe craftings and stay tuned for more content.